For more than 110 years, the Greater Shreveport Chamber of Commerce has been a critical convener and a source of leadership and influence in the Shreveport-Bossier region. In 2010, the Chamber adopted the Red S logo to emphasize its role as a business bridge linking both sides of the Red River. Over the past several years, the Chamber has realigned its focus, making it more than a bridge by resuming its place as the voice of the business community and the leader for economic and business development in Shreveport. The new Chamber logo, debuting January 2019, works to encapsulate this re-energized role and the organization's new vision through the multicolor, vibrant palette, updated fonts, and a new star-inspired logo mark. The shape of the Greater Shreveport Chamber's new mark is comprised of 5 arrow points focusing inward to form a star. The star is constructed in this way to demonstrate that Shreveport is a destination, truly a hub at the confluence of air, river, rail, major interstates, and scenic state highways. Each is represented by a different colored arrow or the varied white spaces between the arrows. The star also represents how diverse parts can work together to make something great. The whole of Shreveport is truly greater than the sum of its many parts. The range of investors and community partners who work with the Chamber represent a breadth of people and interest. When those segments work together, amazing things can happen for our community. Finally, the 5 points of the star also represent the 5-star accreditation from the U.S. Chamber of Commerce that the Chamber recently achieved yet again, leading to almost 2 decades of this rare and important recognition. The particular shades of each color were chosen for their sophistication and eye-catching contrast. At the bottom of the star and for the word chamber, a regal purple was chosen to symbolize royalty and ambition. The blue arrow, landing in Shreveport, is reminiscent of the B-52 aircraft. The green in the logo is indicative of both economic growth and the environmental wealth of our sportsman's paradise. The orange is a nod to the creative community here in Shreveport, as well as the growing number of young professionals in our city. And lastly, the red in the star represents the Red River to our east and gives a nod to our history and past logo. Additionally, the Chamber elected to shorten the name to communicate the broadest brand value. By providing specific emphasis on Greater Shreveport, the Chamber continues to reflect both its regional footprint and its aspiration to create a truly greater community. We hope you'll join us as we enter a new era of reinvigorated enthusiasm for our city, its business community, and our collective futures.